Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've protected this 2022 Defender. This one's a hybrid, and we've installed the Halo Plus. So, as a thief hops in with a cloned key, goes to steal the vehicle, they'll start it up. When they select a gear, the vehicle's going to switch off. As you see, it's ready at the minute. We select our gear, vehicle cuts out. So on this system, customers also going to get alerted with a phone call. So as you'll see in a second, customer will be alerted. There we go, the system's calling us to let us know the vehicle's under attack. Now if the thief goes to try the system again, you're going to hear the horn go mad, and the only way to switch it off is the code. So they start it up again, go to select a gear, goes mad, put the code in, system silenced. Without the code, system's going to keep going, and the customer's going to get alerted again. So we'll just cancel that. For the customer to drive this normally, they're obviously not going to want the horn to keep going mad on them. They ain't going to want it to stall, so they can use either a push sequence or pair their phone up. So without the phone in the vehicle, they start it up, pop their disarm code in. We've kept simple at 1, 2, 3. Hear their double bleep. Now they can select their gear, vehicle doesn't stall out. Can also be paired to the phone, so the customer turns their Bluetooth on. So Bluetooth on, pop the phone in their pocket, get in the vehicle, start it up. 2 bleeps, the system's disarmed. No need to do a code, just act like a normal vehicle. This can also be put in service mode with a simple press and hold in the app. That means when you take it back to Range Rover, there'll be no code, no phone, it's just a normal vehicle. They wouldn't be any the wiser. When you get it back, just a simple press and hold will turn it back on. So once again, this is the Halo Plus. This system gives you the horn honk, call alerts, gives you full onboard tracking, gives you full. So this Halo Plus gives you the immobilisation for key cloning and relay attack, gives you the silent call alerts on the first stall, as we'll show you again. So a thief starts it up, selects a gear, vehicle switches off. They won't be aware that you're now getting a phone call to alert you that they're in the vehicle. So as you'll see in a second, you'll be alerted whether you're away or not. So once again, this is the Halo Plus. The thief starts the vehicle up. First stall's a silent immobilisation. Vehicle cuts out, and the customer will be alerted, but there's obviously no indication in the vehicle that the customer's going to get a call and they're going to know. It's totally silent. As you can see, phone's ringing. Here's the Halo Plus giving us a call, letting us know the vehicle's under attack. Now if they go and try to steal this vehicle again, it's going to make a nice loud immobilisation for anyone that's nearby, and they're going to know that something's going on. So we select a gear, horn goes mad, and the only way to shut it up is the code. Select our gear, stalls, use our code, silence the vehicle, and once again the customer gets alerted, so if they're not around. There we go, phone's ringing. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.